Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this subtle and simple makeup look which suits us Indian girls, especially in South India, as we do not tend to wear a lot of makeup yet we want to look presentable. Also, the products used are probably what you already have. So without any further ado, let's get started. Starting off with a clean face, I'm going to apply a tiny amount of moisturizer. I think moisturizing is very important for our skin, especially after using a face wash. So I'm going to spread this moisturizer evenly on my skin. Next, I'm going to use this Maybelline Super Fresh Compact Powder, which is in the shade Marble. I'm using a fluffy brush to apply this all over my face. I really love this powder because it acts as a foundation on my skin. I'm focusing more on the center part of my face, especially the T-zone and under eye area. And whatever is remaining in the brush, I'm just dusting it off on the other parts of my face. Do not forget to apply on neck as well so that it matches the face. Next step is blush. I'm going to use this Maybelline Cheeky Glow blush. So with the same fluffy brush, I'm going to take it on the both sides of the brush so that I can use on either sides of my cheeks. I'm not using a lot of product here. I'm just using a little bit which I took on the brush and blending the same really well. I'm also applying on the center part of my nose so that there's some color there. Now I'm using this contour kit by Makeup Revolution. I'm taking a little bit of the highlighter shade in the same brush and applying on the higher end of my cheekbones and along the center of my nose. I'm also applying it a bit on my forehead. I'm blending this well so that it looks more natural. So I'm done with my face now. Moving on to the eyebrows, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette by Sivanna in the shade brown. With this flat brush, I'm going to use the darkest brown shade the palette has to fill in my eyebrows. So I'm going to follow just the natural shape of my eyebrow and I'm not going to do anything more. You can use the eyebrow pencil if you are more comfortable. I feel that the eyeshadow does the job well for me. So yeah, I'm done with the eyebrows now. Moving on to eyes, I'm going to use this Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in the shade brown. I'm roughly drawing a line very close to the upper lash line. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to take the same flat brush again and smudge this line really well. I'm leaving no harsh edges or any sharp lines. It should look like a very natural shadow above my lash line. Next, I'll be using this black Colossal Kajal by Maybelline to just line the corners of my upper lash line. Using the same flat brush, I'm going to smudge this as well. As you can see, I'm going to keep this only on the corners. with whatever is left in the brush, I'm going to just rub on my lower lash line. Again, I'm concentrating only on the corners. Now I'm using this Lakme Eyeconic Mascara, which is washable, and I'm going to apply on the roots of my eyelash. I'm not going to drag it up till the tips, just on the roots to lift up the eyelashes and also to deepen the color of it. Also, it helps to set the eyelash, especially if you have curly eyelashes, then they tend to cling together, so this helps to separate them. Coming to the final and my favorite step, which is lipstick. I think lipstick can change the entire look of our face. Even if we do not apply anything else, just one lipstick can make a lot of difference to the way we look. So I'm using this Maybelline Touch of Spice lipstick. So this is the completed look. As you can see at this point, the powders, that is the compact powder, highlighter and blush, they have set really well into my skin. I think that's how the powders work. Initially they might look a little too much, but then slowly they set into our skin in a really natural form. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do like and subscribe to my channel to encourage me. I'd love to create more videos like this for you guys. Goodbye for now, and do take care.